Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a temp report for Michael in Florida on the new RCI 69 Base Plus. Michael, got it ready to go for you, bud. You selected only the basic tuning alignment. We did just that for you. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. You set it 3 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 30. Show you average power swing. Hello audio. About 59 or 60. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 122. All right, Michael, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.